In a world where processing power is the ultimate currency, Lenovo Legion Pro 7i emerges as a formidable force, shrouded in mystery and replete with raw data benchmarks that defy explanation. Unveiling its potent 12th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, this behemoth of a laptop catapults users into the stratosphere of performance, effortlessly dispatching demanding applications with surgical precision. Benchmark scores reveal an astonishing 3.4 GHz turbo boost, coupled with a 16 GB DDR5 RAM configuration that refuses to yield to the demands of cutting-edge gaming and content creation. The Legion Pro 7i's GPU is a masterclass in stealthy power delivery, channeling the might of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080T into the fray, rendering even the most visually demanding games at silky smooth resolutions. Its display boasts an eye-popping 240Hz refresh rate, ensuring an immersive experience that borders on the surreal. Beneath its sleek, aerodynamic exterior lies a treasure trove of concealed features waiting to be unearthed. A dual-fan cooling system expertly manages heat dissipation, while a precision-engineered keyboard ensures tactile feedback and typing accuracy. And then there's the matter of storage, 1 TB of NVMe SSD goodness that accelerates loading times and elevates performance to unprecedented heights. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is an enigma wrapped in steel, its true potential hidden behind a veil of secrecy and precision engineering. Only those willing to delve into the depths of raw data benchmarks will uncover the full extent of this laptop's formidable capabilities.